Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger notifications not showing in notification bar. So if Messenger notifications aren't appearing in your phone's notification bar, try these fixes. So open Messenger and tap on menu at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on settings. Then scroll down and go to notifications and sounds. So in here, make sure notifications are on and not muted. So tap on turn on notifications. So you'll be redirected to settings and then turn on allow notifications. So toggle that on and that's it. So go back to Messenger and you'll see all of your notifications and sounds in here. Now at the top, make sure do not disturb is disabled. Next, so go to your phone settings and go to battery. Then scroll down and tap on power mode and make sure low power mode is disabled. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.